Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, in which we're getting kind of itchy to beat someone up, but the people we want to beat up actually have a pretty decent fleet. So I'm a little bit reluctant to go after them too much. We just picked up a new tech that gave us cold fusion reactors, so I did upgrade just a couple of our ships, mostly to make sure that they had the plasma thrusters. A few of our ships didn't have plasma thrusters yet, and that was an issue of power. And all of a sudden we have power enough to do that. So I upgraded our dudes, and what we're going to do is we are going to... Well, I upgraded the designs. We're going to upgrade these folks, upgrade fleet to latest design. We are not going to do anything with our minerals until this actually starts to upgrade. As we learned last time...
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
What? Is it done? Ship's upgraded already. Let's see here. Can we upgrade? Never mind. Never mind. Okay, looks like we're upgraded. Okay. Move down here. Okay, so while that's done, we're gonna, we're just gonna do some other things. What are we gonna do? I think we're gonna build a few more vessels. Actually, it is probably time for us to... We gotta do something about Naxos. Naxos is kind of... Well, I don't know. It could use a few more tile blocker removals, but I think we're gonna avoid that for right now. What's this other one? Oh, a Spalato. How are you doing? Yeah, you could use a couple of... We cannot afford to clear this tile. Well,
research complete.
Now we can. There you go. Research complete. Oh, sweet. Improved deflectors. Okay, looks like we're gonna upgrade our dudes again. Plasma thrower. What's this do? Plus 100% armor penetration. I've heard that the AI doesn't actually play with armor very much. I don't know if that's true or not. So, given everything that's here, so plasma thrower, I can go for advanced shields, like really nice shields. Or I think what I'm going to do is actually Power Plant 3 and Betharian Power Plant 3. Why not have more money, right? No, never mind. Never mind. That's dumb. That's dumb. Let's go for better shields. It's going to take forever, but we already have money. We have lots of money. We're fine. In fact, we're getting almost to our cap again. What can we use our money for? Other than to give to our... what are they called? Let's give some money to our sectors. It's fine. Also, I found out that one of my sectors, like poor Corfu, their people are leaving. Like they have all these buildings that just aren't being worked at all, and their people just keep leaving. And they're like, this guy can't keep a population because they're all moving to Murano. I think that's where how people just keep showing up at Murano is because everybody's leaving everywhere else because Murano's evidently like the place to be or something. I don't know. It's kind of silly if you ask me, but what are you gonna do? What are you going to do? Is it time to build another dude? Oh no, we just finished another tech. Oh man. I mean, not that I'm complaining, right? So let's play with tech a little bit. Let's have a new set of shields. Boink. And then cold fusion. Oh yeah. Disruptor. You want better shields? I think you want better shields. Come on. Yeah. Torpedoes. Everybody wants better shields, right? Everybody wants better shields. And you're at 0. Perfect. 0 power. That's exactly what we want. PD Destroyer. Oh, you want better shields for sure. Probably afford that. Yep. Overwrite design, thank you. Laser Destroyer. Oh yeah, you want better shields. You got all kinds of power going. Improved deflectors. Yeah, buddy. You still have extra power. And torpedoes. You're gonna need some new power. That's okay though. Doink, doink. And cold fusion. Let's do it. Save. Yes. Disruptor. Cold fusion all over. Cold fusion all over me, baby. Just lay it on. Lather it on. Okay, there we go. Now it's time to upgrade everybody again. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like better tech and stuff, but
Construction complete.
what can you do? The British Republic are improving diplomatic relations. Nice. So are you upgrading now? Second fleet. Upgrade. Castile has recalled their thing. Their embassy. Hey, question. Oh, a new presidential campaign. Fine. British Republic. What do you got? Oh, they must still be at peace. Come on. Come on. Come on. Be at peace. The Habsburgs are still at -18. Oh, hey, hang on. What's this? The Hansa have declared war on the Rogerian Stellar Union. Well, Rogerian Stellar Union, it was really great knowing you. Actually, no. I don't know you at all. We were never friends. It's fine. My construction ships are lazy. You enter orbit. Just enter orbit. This construction ship here, all kinds of stuff you could do. I'm gonna have to do this one at a time. Build that mining station. And then build that mining station. And call me when you're done.
Special project complete.
And a new creature for the zoo.
Ships upgraded.
Excellent.
Construction complete. System survey complete. Situation log updated.
Okay. Leonardo Contarini has been elected as president. So what do we got? Minor mandate. That may actually happen. In fact, that may happen in that one system alone. Good stuff. Okay, so what are you good for? President, what are you good for? Okay, you are good for food, plus 10%, interesting. And happiness. That's actually really good. That's really good. Okay, that's fair. Let's do it. That's good. What you want to bet I have, like, a spare leader who's not doing anything? Probably a scientist, if I had to guess. No? Not that I could tell. They all seem to be busy. No, I don't know where that guy came from, or went to, or whatever.
Research complete.
Ooh, what'd you get? Autocannons. Nice. Luckily, that doesn't actually mean anything about upgrades. There's no upgrades involved. Grantium Forge. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. 17 months. Do it. Okay, fleets, come on. Come on.
Ships upgraded.
There you go.
Construction complete.
Merge, and let's do this. Fleets go here. Spaceport of Venezia has completed its thing. Yes, it has. Actually, the Spaceport of Venezia needs an upgrade. You really need to be a level 3 spaceport, but that's going to take forever. So it's not going to take that long.
System survey complete.
Schiaparelli. Okay, Castile decided they well and truly hate me. Schiaparelli, what do you got? Where are you? Yeah, survey this. What's going on here in Rim? That's not bad. 8 minerals, that's not bad. So I think what we're going to do once we declare this war is we're just going to hang out next to that, Ooh, yeah.
System survey complete.
Everybody hates Castile. Let's leave that. 22% is a little high for me. Thank you. Yeah, people are rivaling and being rivaled by Castile, so good stuff. We'll do with you later. Murano's finished her surface construction queue. We'll do with you later. Really want to upgrade Venezia. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send my... Oh, Galilee's... Yeah, lazy. What are you doing? You're there. Okay. I don't know. Give me that. We're going to have our fleet sit here and defend this spot. So it's going to add a little bit of defense. This spaceport, it's going to add a little bit of defense to the battle when it happens. And it's inevitably going to happen. They're going to just come after us. It's the way it works. It's Venezia, spaceport. When are we going to be ready? 124, 47. Next month, we'll do it. Okay. Now, I think what we do is this. I think we're ready. I think we're as ready as we're going to be. So what we're going to do, we're not going to vassalize. Vassalizing is dumb. At this point. Seed planet to me. Seed planet to me. Seed planet to me. You don't like that. The Iroquois. Do you want Trinic? I'll give you Trinic. I don't really need Trinic. What's going on there? 22. Ooh, that's nice, though. It's nice. How's Menok, though? I could give him Menok. It's a crap world, though. It's a 14. Look at that. That's terrible. He has a lot of slaves. Interesting. I didn't realize they were Harmonious Collective. Oh, right. Fanatic Collectivist, so they'll actually have a bunch of slaves. Here's his homeworld. Yeah, he's got a lot of slaves. We will free these slaves. That's what's going to happen. So let's see what kind of war declaration will actually do the job. Okay. So the Iroquois wants something. That's just kind of true. Let's tell them that they can liberate Trinic. Well, how about if we liberate Trinic? No, they don't want it. How about if the Iroquois liberate Trinic? Yeah. It's fine. Alright. I really want this area up here anyway. That's fine. What do you guys say? You guys in? I think you're in. Okay. Let's confirm. And let's see if it goes through. There we go. There we go. We are at war with the Hanfalier Grand Duchy. Where are the fleets going? It's not a fleet, that's a science vessel. Come on, where are you? Ooh, that's an ocean world. Oh, I'm looking for this. You guys are unhappy. Yeah. I wonder if the platypus people are going to start doing this. Because the platypus people have limited orbital bombardment, voting right. There we go. Voting rights, primary species only. Leadership, primary species only. And I think they may not appreciate that. Well, they don't appreciate that. It makes me wonder when the platypus people are going to allow voting rights for folks who are not of their species. Although I think you have to get a tech for that, and you only get the tech available to you once you have a species that's not your own. There. Oh, hey. There's... Oh, wow. There's the fleet right there. It's a big one, and I think they're in battle. Oh, that's rough. It's a big fleet. Let's see if people... Let's see what my allies do to either join up with me. What do we got? No, that's a construction ship. Hey guys, where's your fleet? There's a transport fleet.
System survey complete.
That's very nice. Algarab. It's not a bad system. Get Lemsa. Survey system. Thank you. Excuse me. What we got going on here? Yeah, just blow up Rookbat instead, okay? What's this? That's a construction ship. What are you doing with a construction ship in hostile territory?
System survey complete.
Schiaparelli. Come on. Survey this. Okay, there we are. The big blue blob is sending their fleet over. So once they send their fleet over, then we'll just move in. We'll move in as a really, really big old group of dudes. And unemployment. I don't know. Minerals, right? No. Planetary summary. +2. Yeah, that's fine. First off, why don't you move there? And then I will, in fact, build a mineral thing. Ooh, Betharian power. No, okay. Build a... We're going to go with the mineral processing plant. That's what we're going to do. Because that will also increase... That'll give a percentage bonus to minerals in the system. And that's nice. Aw. Poor Rookbat. Poor guys.
Research complete.
Oh, research complete. What do you got? Yes! Hyper Entertainment Forum. Yes. Money for happiness. That's actually going to be really good in the long run. Leader lifespan, +10 years, and food +10%. That's actually good. And so genome mapping actually does unlock a few things. So that's really good. We are going to do that. Genome mapping. And it only takes 11 months. So let's do it. Where's the fleet? Where's my fleets at? What do you got? First star flock. Yep. 2,100 dudes. Okay. Okay, fleets, let's go. Follow me, BBB. Construction ship, what are you doing? Build a couple more mining stations. Just do it.
Hostile fleet engaged.
What? Where? Oh, mining station. Oh, poor mining station. You never did anything wrong. Oh yeah, that's not gonna last.
Situation
Goodbye.
log updated.
Oh, the frontier outpost. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. No, don't... Ooh. What happens if this frontier outpost ceases to exist? I think the Iroquois get this system, but maybe not. If not, what we do is we either immediately set up a frontier outpost or we colonize this planet, and I think that's what we do. Yeah, I think we colonize the planet. So yeah, let's kill some things. Let's kill that outpost. Just to do it.
Construction complete.
What do you got? Murano. What are you doing? Wow, look at all that upgrading needs doing. +2. We'll upgrade one more hydroponics farm. 4? No.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah, kill it. Hang on. Oh, there we go. We got a real fight on our hands now. Look at this. Look at this. Research complete. Oh, Granthium Forge. We will play with that in a sec. Ripper autocannon. Oh, so good. That's going to take a while, though. That's 61 months. No, let's go engineering facility. It's going to take a lot less time. And it'll speed up future researches, which is good. Which is real nice. Okay. So we're officially attacking this frontier outpost, but they're sitting in 2.3k in stuff. Let's see how this battle goes. Let's turn this down, actually. Turn time down.
System survey complete. Hostile fleet.
How's our point defense? Point defense is not bad. Point defense could be better. Point defense could really be better. Wow. We're gonna lose some dudes.
Anomaly found.
0% failure risk. Go for it. Ooh, what's going on here? Damage to hull is pretty high. They have a lot of explosive weapons. We're inflicting a lot as well. How's our hit ratio? Their hit ratio is huge. I thought we had point defense weapons. I thought we had some. Like, I thought they were there. Okay, let's continue on. That's just a fur ball, though. 1.1k, yeah. Even our fleet alone outnumbers them at this point.
Construction complete.
Yeah. Are they gonna jump out? No, they're not. They're just gonna die. Okay. That's their fleet.
Hostile fleet engaged.
What was that worth? 9? That was only worth 10 points of war score? Wow. Okay. We lost a space battle? Oh yeah, and Rookbat. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah. Oops. Okay, now, do they have a fleet? Inferior. Okay, well that's something. What do we have in our fleet? Give me a minute. I can't actually tell yet. Finish off whatever it is that you're doing, alright? And it's still freaking Niccolo Mocenigo. He shouldn't even exist. Fossils from what appears to be several species of aquatic animals have been found in the barren, airless surface of that place. There are indications that the surrounding asteroid belt was created from the remains of a shattered planet, and these findings seem to confirm that theory. Judging by the fossils, the planet supported life and was at least partially covered by water. So we get a bunch of research points. That's fine. What's this? It's a mining station that's actually shooting at us. Yeah, I think we repair the fleet. Yeah, repair the fleet. Okay, so what do we have here? 19 and 8. So yeah, as I figured, we should actually build up a few more Corvettes to replace, because usually what they do is they'll go after the Corvettes first. So, okay, the combat stats. Yeah, they landed a lot of explosive weapon damage. And they had a high hit ratio. So Sentinel point defense, 27%. How can I see how well their evasion was high? Our evasion was okay. Our evasion would be better if we could... You know what? Here's the thing. You need to no longer exist. I'm sorry. Niccolo Mocenigo, you need to cease to exist. Agree. Okay, thank you. Now. There we go. Severio Faliera. Thank you. A much better... Yeah, plus 10% fire rate. And a bunch of speed and evasion. Mostly speed. Some evasion. And then... unemployment. Let me guess, Murano? Yeah, that figures. But you go there. You build a mining network. And then let's get us a couple of science labs. Because science, I hear science is good. Science is evidently like a worthwhile thing to do. Basic science lab, go. And now we build us a crap ton of... Okay, so this system still will be in our territory, I believe. Yeah, so let's get our science ship doing something. Yeah, come here. Survey system. Survey system. And then... construction ship. Do something. Yeah, come back here. Mining stations. Thank you. And then... what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. We're gonna build up a bunch of Corvettes. So first fleet. What's your composition? A lot of laser corvettes. We won't build any of them. But we will build some... a couple of torpedoes, but a bunch of disruptors. Let's build a bunch of disruptor corvettes. Let us build disruptor corvettes. Venezia. Spaceport. Build. 1, 2. And then Murano. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so we got some success. 21%. Oh wow, 21% war score. The Iroquois, where was this? They were both in Gillis. Okay. Yeah.
Research complete.
Okay. As per President Leonardo Candiano's mandate, additional mining stations have been constructed. So that's 146 influence. Good. Research is complete. What is that? Genome mapping. Nice. Leader lifespan. Plus 10 years. That is good for us, actually. And then, we'll probably never do artificial moral codes. I'll check to see if any of this is worthwhile, but a lot of this has to do with slavery and stuff. So, and resettlement. We don't do that. We don't do that. People can do whatever they want. Atmospheric filtering? We might do that. Let's go Biolab 2. More research! More research! Okay, construction ship, where are you? Build research stations, thank you. Okay. Oh, hey, hang on. What was that? Oh, that's right. The Iroquois are sending a science ship through a place that has a crystalline elite, so we'll deal with them later. It's fine. I was worried that our enemies were actually attacking there, but they're not. It's fine. And then once these corvettes finish, we will send them here to Zara. What was that? What was that? Oh yeah.
Construction complete.
Turn that up.
System survey complete.
Galilei, what do you got? Oh, Galilei, where are you? That's a better question, I think. What is this? Crystalline entity. We'll deal with you later. Over here. Survey that. Thank you. Now, are there any good Gaia worlds? I've not found any really good Gaia worlds this game, honestly. Got some ocean worlds. That's a 20... Oh yeah, that 24 size ocean world. We'll see what we can do with that. We got some of that red stuff. What's it called? The, Garanthium? Yeah, where's... Do we have any in our system? I don't see anything in our own territory. We still haven't... we still haven't settled this, Capella 3 yet. Which is kind of funny. Garanthium... Where are you? We have no Garanthium. Just kind of the way it is. Sorry, kids. We'll get some. It'll happen. And repairs completed. Hey, okay, second fleet, come here. To Zara. And then when's third fleet done? Venice. Venezia. Okay, you got one day. There we go.
Complete.
Third fleet, come on down. So an additional, actually, yeah, that's only four ships. Venice. Build me another one. And Murano, build me torpedoes. Let's do it. Situation log, what do we got? Debris and Gillis. Oh yeah, we'll get that. We'll get that debris. That's fine. How more alien specimens? Okay, we only got 3 more. Let's go. And resource storage full. Oh my goodness. Again? Yeah, we're out of money. That's crazy. Or we're not out of money. We're out of... We have too much money. So we're just gonna give it away to our sectors. And we have, like, we have a pretty decent navy, too.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Okay. Guys, get down here. Okay. 23%. Okay, so that's an additional 6 corvettes that we have, so we should be able to attack fairly soon. Who do we got? Iroquois consciousness has declared the Humfler Grand Duchy their rival. Well, that's going to work out really well for you, considering we're about to just destroy them. So, what do you got? And then a scientist just leveled up. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, cool. Let's have another battle and then call it an episode. You think? Spaceport of Zara. Okay, we'll play with you in a sec. Bugatti. I forgot that I named one of my construction ships the Bugatti. Okay, merge up. 4th Fleet. You're bigger than you ever were. I don't know why you're called 4th Fleet, but let's go with it. Aw, the Teutons are getting all the credit for this. Oh well. Oh, 4th Fleet, you're already there. Oh, so quick. So quick. Hey, okay, yeah, your relative power is pathetic, so let's just blow things up. For instance, I don't want a wormhole generator. Why don't you just kill that wormhole generator, eh? Oh wow, look at this. It's just a giant pile of stuff.
Hostile fleet engaged. System survey complete.
Like, we got the Iroquois, the BBB, and us just blowing things up. We have so many
Hostile
lazy
fleet engaged.
construction ships and science ships. Come on. Actually, let's just let that happen.
Construction
ship.
complete.
Forlanini, how are you doing up here? Okay, so this place up here, Zeobir, is fully functional. Good stuff, good stuff. So, come and enter orbit here. Save me some cash. Not that I need to save cash, but save me some cash. Enter orbit. Get me a spaceport. Laser damage, build spaceport, go. Thank you. Science ship, Galilei, where are you? Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. I say as I can't find you a good place to survey. Construction ship Branca, where are you? Oh, really, where are you? Oh, you're there, okay. Enter orbit. Oh hey, where's the Forlanini? Oh, you're down there. No, enter orbit around Venezia. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna win this war. We'll get most of the stuff. The silly little Iroquois didn't want us to get everything, even though they got nearly everything, but that's okay. We'll just, we will, what's it called? Liberate some folks who, they need liberating, you know? They've been under a repressive regime of enlightened monarchs, and, you know what? No, they need some democracy in their lives. That's the way we work, right? Right. Our 4th Fleet is in combat with something that doesn't matter. It's a mining station. I don't even know if it counts as, or it's a science station. I don't even know if this counts as a war score. I don't think it does. But we will see where that goes next time. So we'll finish up the war. We'll manage our new territory, and we will go from there. But until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time when we will have 640 minerals to play with and see what happens. And way too much money. We should just give away money. I think we should just give away money. Okay, bye folks.